What's up, guys? So, like I promised, I'm going to show you how I'm setting up this multifunction fanny pack with the placard from Exumbris Designs. So first, a small right and rein, created a little pocket with some 1-inch one wrap. This has got loop on both sides inside of this pouch. So we're going to snake this in here and create a secure spot for my right and rein. So we got the right and rein nice and tucked away. We're going to set up our placard now. So I'm using 5-inch Malice clips from Tactical Tailor, and I'm using 2 of them to attach the multifunction fanny to the Exumbris placard. Okay, so I'm not going to say this is the right way to do this, but it is definitely the way that I do it. So what I'm going to do is feed the Malice clip all the way through the placard with the 2 tabs down. So when I go to lace the multifunction, I'm going to go in one, and then I'm going to lace in one on the placard. And I'm actually going to do this all the way down until I meet the clips at the very bottom. That's going to get the best connection between the MOLLE on the back of this and the MOLLE on the placard system itself. So a little commercial break. We are actually to the bottom now, and I'm going to slide these tabs in until I hear the lock right there. Slide my right and rein back where it goes. So now I've got my fanny attached to my placard. I'm going to tuck the fanny straps in. Get them out of the way. And now we've got our fanny. I have already got the 5.56 insert inside of the placard, and I have attached the buckles onto the placard system as well. Next, we're going to do the Bandito, which is just an extra large Goblin for a dangle system on this Sitka Gore windstopper jacket. For this specific setup, I'm going to just slide the Bandito in between the MOLLE slots where the Malice clips are running on both ends. Get a nice, good connection so it doesn't just slip out. It has too much pressure on it when I go to release my wind shirt. So I've got a little dangle happening right there. Got my jacket rolled up. Slide one side in, grab the other loop, and I will tuck it up. Now I have a dangle system for up to a pretty large. You could probably get a nice waterproof jacket in there. I've stuffed 100-weight fleece, much like the Sitka one I'm wearing right now. You can use, I wouldn't use the 3-inch on the multifunction because it's a lot deeper, but you could get away with it. I like the fight lights. They're a little easier to manipulate and move through than the old standard Malice clips from Tactical Tailor. So this is a 3-inch, and I think they call it FDE, and this is a standard Tactical Tailor clip. What I'm going to stuff away in the main body for this specific setup is a set of Vortex binos. And I'm also going to slide my range card in here, a Sharpie with some duct tape on it, and then a fine tip Sharpie as well in this front pocket. I've got my H harness as well. This is a size 1 small medium from Exumbris that fits my dimensions. I'm 5'10", 165 pounds, and I've got a set of Lancer mags just for the display purposes here. And then this is a size 2 waist strap in Ranger Green. I like the contrast against the Coyote. And then this is an additional strap that actually came with a multifunction fanny. If I want to use this like a fanny bag, I can take the H harness off, stuff it in this front pocket, stretch this out, and then I can wear this as a heavy fanny, but I could get away with wearing it as a fanny instead of a chest rig if I wanted to wear it around my waist as well, or a sling bag if the larger strap will fit all the way around your shoulder. To give you an example, here's the back side right here. There's a couple more things I'm going to add to this onto the H harness, but that's the basic setup. And the reason I wanted this the way it is, I'll probably end up putting 20 rounders in here. This is more of a shooting platform for not so much a battle setup per se, but ranging and shooting at distance. So I'll also show this setup on my tripod using some Goblins and the H harness as well. So awesome that this can be attached to the Placard. It gives you a big quote-unquote sustainment pouch. If I didn't have the binos in here, I could easily fit med kit, some gels, snacks, and other things I might need for a longer period of time than just my wind shirt and the binos and some other stuff. And you could easily stuff a pair of gloves in here, windproof gloves as well, a beanie, and some other accoutrements. But that's it. It's pretty slimmed down and